Hey guys, so this is my new announcement. I apologize, I got some information from Miss Law, so I'm kind of updating my announcements for this week. I want you guys to watch this again. If you've already seen it, I need you to watch it again, okay? So again, I hope you had a wonderful spring break. I do have a couple things to discuss with you guys. So I'm gonna go over expectations first. Please make sure you're checking eClass every day. If you are my second period and you check eClass on block day, please just check it Wednesday. You don't need to check it Thursday. Vice versa for third and fourth. Since you guys are my block day, please check it Thursday if you're just third and fourth period, okay? I'm going to go ahead, this is new, and have the lesson on content, activity feed, and on the calendar. They're not three different lessons, they're just more places where you guys can find the day's lesson, all right? Please make sure you're completing each assignment. This means you have to read the directions, because if you aren't, you're submitting and if you aren't completing the assignment but you do it later, please make sure you tell me, because that will be an NTI and I can go back and fix your grade. All right. Make sure you're completing the assignments in order. The order matters since we have restrictions, meaning, for example, 2 weeks ago, we had you do a video for two-step equations and then complete an assignment. The assignment wouldn't pop up unless you've completed the video. So make sure you're doing them in order and completing them fully in order to complete each assignment. Because I know some of you have, when you tried to go to a quick check and you said you couldn't see it or find it, that's because you didn't do the restrictions that it asked you to. So make sure you're completing those lessons in order, okay? I promise it helps decrease your stress as well as mine, all right? Grades. All right, so this is, I'm going to talk to you guys about Unit 9. A couple of you have already asked about the Unit 9 test, saying that you've completed it. However, it shows up as an NTI. If you did not submit work for your Unit 9 test, it showed up as an NTI. Now, some of you are probably thinking, oh no, Ms. Dolinsky, I took the test, but I don't have work to show for my grade. What should I do? So here's what I'm going to do. I've opened up the test where you can view the questions. This means that if you didn't submit your work, you can go back, rework the questions, and submit on eClass. So I'm going to take a brief pause and show you guys where to find that, all right? So if you go to eClass, and I already have it pulled up, I want you guys to go to content. Sorry, let me save that real quick. You're going to go to, actually not content, go to assignments. And you can see it says Unit 9 test work. You can submit it here. I see someone's already submitted. Once you do that, I'm going to check it again, and then I'll update your grade, meaning if you made a grade on your test and you submitted work, I'll enter in that grade. All right, so if you have a blank for the work on your grade book and an NTI for the test, it means I didn't have your work. So just make sure you guys go to, you can go to quizzes, and you can scroll down as you can see the Unit 9 test right here, expressions in solving multi-step equations. Click on it and you'll be able to view the questions so you can rework your stuff. Please make sure that your name is on it and everything is clear for me to read, okay? NTIs, this is old. This is something that you guys already know. You've been doing really well about this. Just send me a quick notification once you've completed an NTI and I'll update that ASAP. I do update grades, new grades at 4:30 each day, right? I'll be taking at least one classwork grade this week, and I'll be taking at least one classwork grade that's not weighted. So the weighted classwork grade, meaning the first bullet point right here, this grade will count towards your average, meaning it can hurt or harm your grade if you don't want it to decrease. The not weighted grade, think of it as a homework grade, but it will show up as classwork, but it won't count toward your grade, meaning it won't hurt or help your grade, okay? So if you guys wonder why you have an NTI for a classwork grade, just make sure you see if it's weighted or not, and just talk to me about it if you have any questions. Google Meets. I did get new notifications about this from Miss Law. So guys, anytime we're having a Google Meets, I will post a link on the activity feed 10 minutes before the session starts. We're going to keep it on Monday from 9 to 9:30 a.m. and 2 to 2:30 a.m. Those will be like my office hours. So that means you can pop in from 9 to 9:30 on Monday and ask me any questions that you may have, okay? You could, if you can't attend in the morning, you can also pop in from 2 to 2:30 in the afternoon, okay? I'll do the same thing on Tuesdays. Again, these are like office hours. You guys come to me, all right? I'll have my camera muted until you guys let me know you're there, that you have a question to help, okay? Thursday, 10:30 to 11, that's technically our math day. Now, I have to split because I also teach standard. Unfortunately, I only have a 30-minute window for you guys. That was my solution for now. If anything changes, I'll update you guys ASAP, right? But from 10:30 to 11, I'll try to walk with you guys through that lesson or go through any questions you had through the day, as kind of just to clarify or teach you something that day, okay? I know I said if you are second period, I don't want you on Google Meets on Thursday. Again, that's another scenario we're trying to walk through, so bear with me. If you are my second period, I will permit you to be on that Google Meets on Thursday. So don't worry, you can hop on these Google Meet sessions. They're open to everyone and anyone, okay? So guys, hang in there. Thank you so much for being amazing. If you have any questions, just shoot me a quick little notification on the activity feed or Class Dojo and I'll answer it. All right, have an awesome day, guys.